sun's come out, so now we can go mooching. So let's crack on. So glad that sun's come out, but now we're at the top of the harbour now, just looking down where the pool centre is. The pool centre's over there. We're just having a look down. What a beautiful view. Luna Bay. And there's Jambo.
Good morning, or is it afternoon?
It is nearly good afternoon.
Oh, we've only just had breakfast. But it don't matter, does it?
So yeah, we went to the Scotch Corner again for breakfast. Really nice breakfast. Today what we did was put 2 tables together. So
really
we could all...
nice breakfast.
Big difference from yesterday. It was like I said, there wasn't a lot of rain, to be honest. It come down quite heavy at one point, but it was only for like 5 or 10 minutes. But now the weather is absolutely 31. That's what it says on the boards anyway, 31. It feels hotter than that. So we're just having a couple of drinks. One of the bars opposite here. It's nice. I'm not going to say it's too hot, because that's like why you come away in it. But we always say, don't we? It's too hot. Lukey men. Quite a few of them here. But yeah, it's nice.
Pina colada. Pina colada. It's pink at the bottom.
31 today, all day. It's absolutely beautiful. We're staying in the, we're at the Boston Generos. These are all privately, mostly these are private anyway. Private apartments. It's funny, isn't it? You moan when it's cold and you moan when it's hot. So I'm just chilling out here for a minute before I get back in the pool. So hopefully a little bit of shade and then another dip in the pool. Where our place is here, behind us, our pool is basically just there. So I'd say 15 steps at the most and we're straight into the pool. I think we've got a good place. Very nice, as Jan says. Very, very nice. It's funny, isn't it? Spend all year waiting to come to this place, and then it's took a long time to get all set up and everything. And then you come over, and then that week, I mean, we're on our 3rd day now already, and that's flu. First day we couldn't do anything because we was absolutely shattered. Second day, obviously a bit of rain. Today's the main day where we'll be able to get a little bit of a tan, top up, and enjoy ourselves. So where are we going tonight? We're going for an Indian, and we're going to... Be on it if you want.
I don't know what you're doing, but hey ho.
You'll be on YouTube tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah.
Aye.
That was a nice meal. We had jalfrezi and Jan had chicken boona, and it was absolutely beautiful. So highly recommended. The thing I would say, if you're getting the hula rice, just get one between you because there's loads of it. I had naan bread as well. Jalfrezi, chicken boona for Jan, and obviously a bowl of ice cream, and it was absolutely beautiful. So it's one of many that I've tried, and I would recommend it. Absolutely bob on. Right, we've come for a cocktail. We've come for a YouTubers cocktail, and we're at the beer garden. So we've come for a cocktail, so let's have a look which ones they've got. Right, you have the McMaster or the Night Strider, and they've also got the OnlyFans cocktail. So we're going to try them and see what they're like. So the OnlyFans is a new one on the menu, so let's try them all.
We're the only fans. We're the only fans, yeah.
So we're gonna...
We're the cocktail.
We're gonna try these cocktails out. So let's see which one we're having. Which one are you having, Jan?
Night Strider.
Right, and what are you having, Jill? The McMaster?
The McMaster.
Yeah. So we're going to try these now.
I've got to
We're trying the McMaster.
Yeah.
Because we don't, Lee lives near us.
No, we're not. We're doing that.
Yeah, alright. And then we're trying the Night Strider.
Yeah.
Have you got the OnlyFans one?
So when you think about it, a normal measure back home is 25 mils. A double back home is 50 mils.
And that's what
But in our normal cocktails, there's 80 mils of spirit in a normal cocktail that you order here in Beer Garden. But in that one, there's 120 mils
Oh my
of
gosh.
spirits. It's served in a gin glass with crushed ice. There's a splash of cranberry juice to give it a bit of colour, and then it's also topped up with prosecco as well.
strong. I can water it down.
She's going to get me an OnlyFans one. She's going to make it up for us. It's a new one. Let's see what it tastes like. What are you on, Jill?
The McMaster.
Right.
It's very strong, colourful and light-hearted. Delightfully pleasant surprise. I'd give it 10 out of 10.
Now I'm going to try the OnlyFans. Right, let me have a taste of this one.
You like it?
Ooh.
No, I quite like
Oh.
that actually. Good job he didn't ask me. I'll be done.
Brings back the time when we visited Grimsby Dock. Bit of a fishy taste. Let's have another taste, hang on. It's not nice to look at and not very desirable. Very cheap looking. Probably be okay after you've had a few more drinks. Probably might look a little bit better. No, it's horrible. Not very nice. 1 out of 10. Not very nice. I won't go there. I suppose I'll put you back on your back with your legs up. But not for me. That's not going down well on me. That's put me on my back there. What do you think of yours?
Like I said, it's bittersweet, undesirable.
And yours, Jill?
Oh man, 10 out of 10. Beautiful.
So the McMaster Jill, Night Strider Jan, she says it's not very desirable. And mine, it put me on my back with my legs up in the air. Would not recommend it. It's not nice to look at, not something I would want to. The OnlyFans is out the window for me. So let's crack on and try some other different cocktails. What are you on now, Jan?
We've got pina colada.
What's it like?
Beautiful. You've got to take 2. You put me on the spot. It's beautiful. It's very nice on your palate.
Oh, nice.
Very, very, very nice. And the aftertaste is wonderful. That's the best pina colada I've had in Tenerife.